The Paramount Fort Lauderdale Oceanfront Condominium.
Townhome number 2. 3 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms. Offered at $1,385,000. Amazing opportunity. Great new price.
Amazing rare townhome residence at the Paramount Fort Lauderdale. With 3 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms. And dramatic city views from your private roof deck.
Main level consists of an open floor plan living, dining, kitchen, half bath, and a bedroom, with ensuite bath. Second level, master bedroom with walk-in closet, and third bedroom, both with ensuite bathrooms. Office den area, and a separate laundry room. Third level, full bathroom and full private roof deck terrace, with outdoor kitchen and great city views. This home features Italian cabinetry, high-end appliances, marble baths, motorized window treatments, custom closets, custom lighting, and more.
The Paramount Fort Lauderdale Beach offers incredible 5-star amenities.
Oceanfront infinity edge pool, private island cabanas, sauna and massage rooms, state-of-art fitness center, concierge, security, indoor-outdoor entertainment space for socializing, including a full catering kitchen and cocktail bar. Perfect for parties and events. Family game room, complete business center.
Outdoor children's play area on amenities level. Wine locker storage for residents and wine bar. Bicycle storage. 2 parking spaces in the state-of-the-art fully automated garage. Unlimited, complimentary valet parking for guests, guest suites available for out-of-town guests. And the Paramount Luxury Attaché to manage your lifestyle, with personalized concierge services.
For more information on this Fort Lauderdale property minutes to the beach, please give us a call. Visit us online at www.cjmingolelli.com/virtual showings or www.elliman.com/Fort Lauderdale.